The EON700 series utilizes the latest acoustic science, transducer designs, cabinet materials, and advanced DSP to deliver high power and extraordinary performance for both portable and installed applications. Today, we're going to show you how to use the True Wireless Stereo mode. True Wireless Stereo mode will only work with the EON710, EON712, and EON715 speakers. To use the True Wireless Stereo mode, both of your top speakers must be at least firmware version 6.1.5.0. You can find your speaker's current version in the Settings menu. Check out our video on how to update your EON700 with the JBL Pro Connect app for more information. First, pair your audio streaming device to one of the speakers. Make sure that your volume has been turned up on your streaming device. Next, place both speakers next to each other so that you can access the back of both speakers. Simultaneously short press the Channel 1 knob on one speaker while short pressing the Channel 2 knob on the opposite speaker, and allow 3 to 5 seconds to pair. When the pairing is successful, the speakers will reflect TWS L or R in the LCD, indicating which speaker has been assigned left and right. This can be changed in the Settings menu. Press the main/menu button once to open the main menu. Rotate the knob to select Settings. Then press the main/menu button to continue. Here you will find the BT TWS channel setting. L will set the speaker to the left channel, R to the right channel, sum to mono-sum both left and right to a single speaker, and off to disconnect the speakers from the TWS mode. If you're having issues connecting to the speakers, try to factory reset both speakers and try the process again. If you leave Bluetooth range, the TWS will disconnect and automatically reconnect once you're back in range. We recommend to leave your audio streaming device in a stationary position near the primary speaker that you first paired to. If you lose power to the speaker that your device is paired to, then you will lose audio to both speakers. TWS will resume when the power is back to both speakers. If you lose power to your secondary speaker, TWS will disconnect and resume when it's powered back on again. To use TWS with a subwoofer, pair your two full-range speakers, then connect a mix-out of each speaker into an input on the subwoofer. If you're using two subs, simply connect the mix-out of your left top speaker to the left sub and the mix-out of the right top speaker to the right sub. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.